Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to create hyperlinks in Google Sheets. So the first thing that we can do is we can go here and we can right click and we can go to insert link, and here we can paste a link, right, which is YouTube. Now the second way of doing this same thing is going here and going and typing Control K or Command K on Mac and then pasting the link as well. Now the third actually way to do this is going and creating a hyperlink function. So equals hyperlink, and then in the brackets we will put our link and as well as the name, right, which is going to be YouTube. We can click enter, so this is basically the function, and as you can see it's the YouTube, and we can click on it here like that. So let's say we want to connect a sheet, right? A second sheet, which is this sheet down below. We can go here, right click, and we can go to insert link, or again, Control K or Command K, and we'll go to sheet 2, right? And this is now sheet 2. If we go here, if we click on it, right click, we'll be in sheet 2, which is here, right? Final way we can do this is having a range of sales as well linked to a hyperlink. So what we can do is right click on a cell, we can go insert link, we can go sheets and named ranges, and we can go select a range of cells to link. And we can basically select a data range by typing it, or by going here and with shift and left click we can drag it like that and put it here. Okay, now this will be sheet, and we can just click on it, right, and it will select the range of sales. So these are all the hyperlinks that you can create in Google Spreadsheet and in Google Sheet. It's really simple and really easy to use.